Hi everybody. Good afternoon. It is for me, and I have little Amaya. Oh, I nearly said Hapani. Out with me, and yeah, good to get her out and get her moving and grooving. It's a little bit like understanding that you've got snakes that are extremely wanting to come out of their enclosures, and then you've got snakes that are very much the other end of the scale. And you know from me that I do not like to force any of my snakes to come on out. I really like them to have that particular choice all by themselves. But remembering with people and snakes, it's not about Amaya not liking coming out, because she does enjoy it out. And she loves the jungle gym as much as my other snakes do, and she has no problems in me physically holding her and doing things with her. But you can get lazy snakes, just like you get lazy humans that sit on the couch, don't really want to move very much at all. And snakes can be a little bit the same way. So sometimes you've just got to do what you've got to do and say, it's time for you to get out and to start moving around. And that is very, very, very good for their digestion after they've digested, to get that food moving, that digested food moving and down into their bowels, and getting them thinking about going to the toilet. That to me is a problem with lazy snakes. It just doesn't happen so easily, and they can run into all sorts of problems and get very lazy with their bowels as well. So as much as I say to you, I don't like forcing snakes to come out. Amaya isn't defensive when I go in and get her out. She doesn't bolt or take flight on me either. I can very gently pick her up and bring her on out. So it's not fearful like you will sort of see more so when it comes to Tessa. When I go in to get her out, she is a lot more in that defensive mode because she's still got quite a bit of fear, whereas Amaya, she certainly doesn't. Plus it gives me the opportunity to have a good look through her enclosure when she's out, to make sure that there's no mess in there that needs cleaning up, which I went through and found a little bit of urate in there, so I've been able to get that out and F10'd and cleared out her substrate. So now she will have a little bit of time out with me, and then she's going to be able to go back into a nice clean home. But that gives me also the opportunity to F10 her hides and make sure they're all nice and clean as well. So I take that opportunity to do a few things, not just get her out and get her moving, but to clean up her little home. So I've had a pretty busy day. Well, not overly busy, but busy, because I've done all the water bowls, and I've got Lily currently out up in the hangout spot, and she's been out since really early. I've had Jessie out and outside today. as well, and the day isn't even over yet, so little Apani might be out a little bit later on as well. So it's kind of ongoing, but yeah, it was Amaya that I thought, hey, okay, you're due for a feed. She's been out a couple of times, but she's due for a feed today. So it gives me a bit of an opportunity to get her out and have a good look at her and make sure that she is doing okay, which she is. Well, I won't say of course, but I would hope that she's doing okay. She's very dull at the moment. Also, you know, Miss Amaya? Hey, how's my girl? How's my girl doing? Yeah. So, lazy snakes, active snakes, and if you've got a little lazy one, it won't hurt for you to get them out and get them moving and grooving. As I say, it will do them a world of good. And as you can see, you know, she's chilled, she's okay, she's got no problem. She wants to go and play. I always say they want to go and play because that's how I kind of see it. Of course they want to explore and check things out, but I guess it's their playtime when they come out. Amaya she was down on the ground when I went in to get her out, but as the day gets cooler and the night comes in, she comes up onto a hammock and lays up there under a heat. So yeah, it's getting a little chilly over the night, but yeah, her colours are really faded out at the moment, although you can see them pretty good in that close up to the camera. But yeah guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to have a bit of a chat about, looking at her and thinking to myself, you've been a very lazy girl, Amaya. I think you can come out and get some exercise. So I'll say to you, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes and all your animals. Ciao everybody.